Hello guys, Nathan Drake Simba here, and today we are going to unbox the Sony Ultra HD Blu-ray player. So this is known as the best Ultra HD 4K player now in the market. So this is the one which I got. So when I went to the Sony store, this was the last piece which was available over there, so we bought this one. It comes only in one color, which is black, and now we are going to unbox it. So here is the Sony's guarantee void if seal is broken or damaged. So let's open. So inside we get this. Please read this operating instructions. It's not focusing. It will not focus. So you can see nothing. Here is what you get inside. I think so. This is the HDMI cable, high-speed one. I'll unbox it and show it to you later. This is the AV cord, which is the same for the PS4 as well as the Ultra HD Blu-ray player, so it's okay. This is the remote of it, very small one. I think so. This is the stabilizer or something. I don't know what do you call this. And inside you will get the player, as you can see. I'll just remove it off screen. So here guys, this is the player, Ultra HD 4K player. So just the batteries fell down somewhere. I'll just get it out and show it to you. Here is what you get. It's very much good looking. It has glossy over here and matte finish. It's very nice looking. And here, if you open this, you can find that over here it will eject if you press this eject button, and this is the power button over here. So yeah guys, I found the batteries. You get two, is this AAA? Yeah, I think so. It's a AAA batteries. So other than this, we have bought one Blu-ray disc of Interstellar, which is a really good movie. Here is this disc, and we have two copies of Man Max. This is one Blu-ray and Ultra 4K HD. I'll just show you the Ultra 4K HD. This is what you get. And here is the Ultra 4K HD, and this is the Blu-ray one. Here is the disc. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.